Thank you, ladies. Jada Smith is an outstanding young woman, both on and off the basketball court. The past 3 years our success in our program can be attributed to what she's done. She has the ability to incite her teammates with her quiet leading by doing leadership. She's represented this community, this school so well. I'm so proud of her today. I'm just so blessed to have had the opportunity to coach her for the last 3 years. And I know this young lady has a bright, promising future ahead of her. I know that she's gonna go out and represent not only her family, her school, and her community with just great pride. Jada, I wish you the very best in your future endeavors, and I know she's gonna make us proud. Jada Smith's gonna tell you where she will be attending college.
Jada Smith, Union University.